Changing rewards points to cash in HDFC Credit Card is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, log into your HDFC Credit Card account using the official website or mobile application. Now find the rewards or reward points section on your credit card account portal. Then explore the different redemption options available. After that, look for the option to redeem points for cash or statement credit. Now, if available, select the option to redeem points for cash or statement credit. After that, provide the necessary details such as the amount you wish to redeem in cash. Follow the on-screen instructions. Then review the redemption details and confirm your choice. Now, HDFC Bank may require additional verification through a one-time password sent to your registered number or by entering your credit card PIN. Once verified, complete the redemption process. The cash equivalent for the redeem point should be credited to your credit card account. So this is how you can change the reward point to cash in an HDFC credit card.